Is related to some refreeze on the roads, but what it has not led to, fortunately, is any freezing fog. We were concerned about that heading into last night and early this morning, but visibilities are just fine across central North Carolina. Some clouds have formed, but not right at ground level. They're a little farther off the ground to the north and west of Raleigh. Looking outside in Raleigh, just inside the belt line, looking fine. Traffic moving along okay on 440, 25 degrees. The temperature, that's not okay. It's cold. 25 also the wind chill, so at least it doesn't feel any colder. And if you're wondering if this cold temperature is record setting, nowhere close. This morning's record low temperature is 10. Tomorrow morning's record low temperature is 4, so at least we're not that cold. 29 degrees on campus at NC State. You can see some of those clouds now drifting into portions of Wake County as well. Durham County and Orange County seeing even more of that cloud cover, along with points farther to the north and west. But we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine once the sun comes up in about an hour. 7:16 is the moment of sunrise this morning. 32 degrees in Lewisburg and Henderson. So there are a couple warmer spots there with that cloud cover developing a bit faster and keeping you from dropping as far. Clearer skies farther south. It's cold there too. 26 Fayetteville, 27 in Clayton, 29 degrees in Clinton. We're still going to be cold by 8 o'clock this morning. Same temperature, 25 degrees. As the sun emerges, temperatures will start to warm up. We'll continue that melting process. Winds out of the west and northwest changing to the southwest by late afternoon. Mix of clouds and sunshine, 48 degrees for that high temperature. Still below average. And it's going to be quite a bit warmer farther to the south. Low 50s, even mid 50s for the Sand Hills, southern coastal plain. You don't have any ice and snow, so your temperatures warm up at a faster rate. Only upper 40s for the northern coastal plain and mid-40s along the Virginia state line, where the ice and snow that's left over is quite a bit thicker, and even within the triangle. It'll get a degree or two cooler as you head farther to the north and west. The next round of rain is about 48 hours away. We'll just see that mix of clouds and sun today, partly cloudy skies tonight, and then gradually increasing clouds throughout the day on Thursday. Still some sun peeking through. We'll make it up to around 50, and our temperatures won't drop down to around freezing Thursday night. So any showers that sneak in late Thursday night would be rain showers. This is going to be a liquid precipitation event. But the heaviest rain, that's going to be moving in probably after rush hour Friday morning. Fingers crossed, because we don't want to deal with any more traffic headaches. But there's that heavy rain in place by midday on Friday. And then it gradually works its way to the east. The heaviest rain moving off the coastal plain Friday evening. But that doesn't mean we're done. We're going to be under the influence of this storm system all the way through the weekend with some lingering showers both Saturday and Sunday. Friday, with that heavy rain moving through, falling onto still some leftover ice and snow and a lot of the rivers running close to capacity. We have a slight risk of either flash flooding or river flooding developing, with total rainfall amounts running in that 1.5 to 2.5 inch range as we head through the weekend. More the farther south you go, where the ground is saturated by the rain that we saw with that winter storm over the weekend. Temperatures are going to gradually warm up. So again, this is all going to be liquid precipitation. We'll be in the low 50s by Friday. We'll be up to around 60 on Saturday. I'm cautiously optimistic that we'll see a few breaks in the rain by Saturday afternoon and evening. And then Sunday still could be showery, but also not a total washout. Dry weather by next week when everybody's back at work.
Yeah. I think most people are heading back to work at least by today, if not yesterday.
For the most part, but some counties still on school delays and school cancellations, so it forces the parents to make some last-minute adjustments.
Yeah, more so, I guess, north of the triangle. I'm thinking of Wake County and Durham County, because that's what I've been watching with these traffic cameras that we have. So far, everything looks okay.